In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use a simple Google search to reach the WooCommerce site, browse the extensions area, search for a specific tool, and open its product page with confidence. We're keeping this straightforward and focused so you can repeat it anytime. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You should see the official WooCommerce website right at the top, usually with the domain woocommerce.com. Click through to the official site. If you see ads or similarly named results, double-check the URL before you proceed. Sticking to the official site helps you avoid outdated or third-party pages and ensures you're viewing accurate, secure information. Once you're on the WooCommerce website, look for the extensions section in the main navigation. Depending on your device, it may appear as Extensions or Marketplace in the top menu or inside a menu icon on mobile. Navigate there to open the catalog of add-ons that expand WooCommerce's features. This is the central hub where you can browse solutions vetted for the WooCommerce ecosystem, which is especially helpful when you want reliable, compatible options. With the Extensions catalog open, find the search field on the page. Click into it and type Hide Price and Add to Cart button for WooCommerce. Using the exact name helps surface the intended result quickly. This particular tool is designed for cases where you don't want prices or the Add to Cart button visible to every visitor. It's useful for catalog-only stores, quote-based businesses, wholesale setups, or sites that require customers to log in before seeing pricing. As you type, you may also notice filters or categories in the sidebar. You can ignore them for now since the full product name should bring the correct result to the top. In the search results, locate the listing titled Hide Price and Add to Cart button for WooCommerce and click it to open the product page. Here you'll find a detailed overview, screenshots, feature descriptions, requirements, and version compatibility notes. Take a moment to read the description, check the minimum WordPress and WooCommerce versions, and review the last updated date and support details. This helps ensure the extension fits your store's needs and will play nicely with your setup. If you're comparing options, you can note pricing, changelogs, and any usage examples provided. For now, we're stopping at the product page so you can review everything in one place. That's it. You've used Google to reach WooCommerce, navigated to extensions, searched for the exact tool, and opened its product page for a closer look. Rewind or pause as needed while you follow along.